Welcome to the Monster Truck Pit Stop. Today we're gonna fix our monster truck. Are you ready? Welcome to the pit lane. The team is ready. Let's fix our monster truck.
Let's go!
Let's change the tires. Old tires off, new tires on. Wow! Ready to race. Vroom! Great job! Tighten it. Power it up. Vroom! Engine fixed. Time for a brand new paint job. Spray, spray, spray! Wow, so shiny! Our monster truck looks amazing!
Perfect!
Time for a super wash. Scrub, scrub, scrub! Wow, so clean and shiny!
Vroom!
All clean! Now it's time to fill the tank. Full of power! One last safety check before the race. Everything looks perfect. Ready, set, go! Wow! What an amazing jump! Great job, monster truck! Hooray! We did it!
Vroom!
Hip hip hooray! Great job! You're a monster truck champion! Don't forget to subscribe! Great job! We fixed our monster truck! Beep beep! Thanks for watching! See you next time! Don't forget to subscribe! Bye-bye!